pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and take a chance on this channel and think about subscribing before the end of it. And for those that are returning, welcome back. I'm so excited. We're going to do a review of Jeffree's new pink palette, the Pink Religion it's called. So, are you guys ready? Are you excited? This is the look that I come up with, so let's get into it. Alright, it's time to do a look. There's a lot I see that I can do with this palette. So I'm like, And I kind of know what everybody else would kind of dip into, I think. So it's like, should I do something different? I have an SL Mist brush. I'm going to take it and put it in Saint Star. There's some pickup. I've got MAC Paint Pot on my eyes in Bare Study. This is just like a really pretty cotton candy kind of color. And I'm liking that. I do have contacts in today. And they're a bluish pink. So I thought that we'll see how my look comes out with them. Yes, I'm back into using colored contacts. And I do like it. It's like a step up, but kind of almost like a game changer for Glam, you know, because changing the color of your eyes is something that we all dream of from time to time. Okay, it's blending beautifully. It's a really pretty color. I just want to make sure my crease is good before I move on. I'm kind of wanting to go into a coralish kind of color, but I really think the brown contacts, the hazel ones, would be better with that. So, Strawberry Youth looks super pretty as well. But I think we're going to go a little darker. I'm going to go in with Beauty Killer. These names. On the same brush. And put that in the crease. Ooh, I like that. I'm liking that a lot. Oh, are you guys excited? I feel like I'm the last one to get this palette. I ordered mine from Beautylish. Okay. Really, Caleb? All the kids are home. It's Sunday. Alright, so now that I got this in here, I think I'm going to go even darker. Going to use a new brush. I'll use my Sigma E35 and go in with Handbag Queen. It's pretty. And we're going to put that out here. Kind of flick it towards the crease. Ooh, the pigment. Gosh, I love it when the shadows perform so well. Have a light hand because it's easy to put too much pigment on. Yeah, I really like that. It's time to do some blending though. So we're going to grab a blending brush that doesn't have anything on it. I think this one is a Luxie. Yes. And what we're going to do basically is flick the pigment up. The colors are blending beautifully together. If you get too much pigment out here, it happens when you get shadows that are really pigmented. You can go ahead and clean it up. And I will figure out what type of look I want to do, because I'm definitely going to have to clean up here, but I'm like, go ahead and bring some of that color in. Super, super pretty. Okay. Alright, let's go in with this Lavish Brush, and we're going to dip it into Vatican Vanity. And I am going to start in the crease and go all the way to the corner here and all the way out. I just really want my crease nice and dark. It'll help make my eye look bigger. Really pretty purples. I love these brushes because they get right in the crease and you can bring them into the corner without getting too much shadow in this area. Now these shadows, these colors are probably going to stain your eyes. I just want to be transparent with you. That's probably going to happen. So concealer will definitely be your best friend after this. Okay, I'm going to go in with a Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush and okay, so we're going to use some concealer. I'm going to go ahead and go into the dose of colors and put some concealer right there. Going to blink, well, lift it a blink, and then we're going to do a cut crease. Just a half, actually a little less than half. Now I'm going to take some setting spray, because that's what I use with shimmers, and put it on the other side of this brush, and we're going to go into Princess Crown. This is super pretty. Here, Kayla. Ooh! A white with a pink undertone. You gotta love that. Wow. This is beautiful. Guys, do you see that? Oh. Super pretty. Make sure you blend and smooth it out. Ooh, yes. Okay, so we want to go in with another shimmer, and I want to use frosting or trusting. I don't even know what that says. Frosting, I think. Frosting. We're going to go with a different brush though. We're going to go in with this Luxie one right here. Going to put some setting spray on it. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Gonna take this up a little bit above my actual crease to make my eye look a little bit bigger. Yes, so you guys finally got the pink palette that we have been wanting. Oof. Now we've got this Candy Cathedral. Going to put some setting spray on the back of this brush and go in with Candy Cathedral. And put that out here. Yes. Loving it. Way to go, Jeffree. Nice. Super, super pretty. A little bit of fallout. Not that big of a deal. Pretty crazy. Okay, gonna go back in with a blending brush and just gently work that in. Okay. These colors, oh my gosh. Alrighty. Vatican Vanity. Right out here. Master Blending Brush. Where are you? I don't think I've got it available. We'll just go in with this MOTD brush and basically blend these colors together gently. Okay. Definitely time for some eyeliner. Alright, black liner done. I used the Tarte liquid liner for the top, and I used Kylie Jenner's black, I think it's an onyx or maybe it's just black, on the lower waterline. Okay, so now you know what we need, right? A stiffy! Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to get some setting spray. Pop it on this. We're going to dip this straight down into Princess, whatever that is. I can't really read it with these lights. Okay. Then we're going to start in the inner corner and we're going to bring that right over. Yeah, I like that. That's super pretty. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a little more setting spray, go into another shimmer, the Frosting, whatever that says, Colt something, I don't know. I'm gonna put that right here. You can stamp it in, wiggle it in, however you want to do it. Then we're going to go with the darker, or the darkest shimmer, Candy Cathedral. Put that here. And then we're going to go into a matte. We're going to go and mix Handbag Queen and Vatican Vanity and put that right out here. Make sure there's even pigment. Okay, so now we want a mini round brush or the inner corner highlight brush that Jacqueline has with Morphe, or something like this, close to it. Really like a pencil brush, but we're going to use this. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to start right here. I'm going to go over. Then I'm going to do the other side before I get into the dark colors. We're going to blend, and this is going to smoke it out. You can do it very lightly. You don't need to apply pressure. You just need everything to look like it belongs. Make sure it flows nicely and is blended. Awesome. Let's do some mascara and some lashes. All right. Go with the Tarte Maneater mascara. I will probably add a highlight. Okay guys, so what do you think of my finished look? The only thing I changed about my eyes was I put a little bit of Jacqueline's Beaming Highlight and Extra in the inner corner and right up here at for the brow bone. But other than that, this is it. I really like this palette. I think that so far, and I used quite a bit of colors. They're blending amazing. The pigment is there. I think it's like a $52 palette. It's definitely worth it for the quality. So I would definitely have to recommend it. If you didn't get it, I would for sure. But tell me what you think down in the comments below. I really want to hear your opinions. I might pick one of these up for my end of the year giveaway to do that. We'll see. But I want to take the time to say thank you so much for joining me for this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know all of your comments, any questions, anything like that. Put that down below and I will do my very best to answer them for you. And I will see you real soon in another video.